Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove the front differential on a Toyota 4Runner, and also we will replace the needle bearing and replace the seal. And make sure you take off that. Catch the oil, don't make a mess. Next step, take out the spacer. And then take this one out too. But this one's bigger because I have the Tundra outer tie rod and then inner tie rod. Once it's off, then we'll do the two bottom bolts, this one and the other. And after that, after we loosen two bolts underneath, we're gonna tap this one so the CV goes inbound. That means it's loose. Make sure you put on jack. You basically just turn it around and make sure ABS cable or brake are good to go. And now we're gonna pull that CV. That's it. CV is out. I said slowly. CV is out. So once you remove the drive shaft, make sure you watch on this line over here. Okay, so you look for that, and then the wire, and then this hose over here. There should be one more on top. So there's three, two hoses and the wire. You remove that, and after that we're gonna remove this bolt, that bolt, and this bolt over here. You can see it now. That bolt. So now it's removed. We're also gonna replace the seal on this one, driver side, and then on the other side, the passenger side. Also, we're gonna remove that bearing inside and replace with this one. Reason that I remove it because I have to drop this off to our local gear guy that will check the locker. Yeah. So now we're just gonna pull it and be done with it. There you go. And let's just rack it slowly. 17. Nope. Nope, 19. Coming out. There you go. Double check. Everything's still smooth. Middle bearing is out. I don't know if you can see. Seems like it's still good. So when you put this, you see there's kind of like spacing in there. I don't know if you can see there, right? There, the housing and then the inner circle or the inner metal. So instead of putting this like this, put it it like this. Honestly, use this solid side to push it. And use this. Sweet. There's the old seal. I was actually struggling. What part number is this? Because I'll show you later. This is the driver's side has a smaller seal. So this one is the driver's side. And then on the passenger side, the seal is bigger. So I have two actually. One's this part number, and then the other one's this part number. They're actually, this one has a solid bronze in the back. This one is not, but they're actually kind of like, actually the same. So we'll check that one, which one is right. So I said earlier I was struggling which one. So just in case I got both of them. So the seal on that side, passenger side, is this one, the one with the two, whatever you call that. We're gonna save this part number for the passenger seal. So like I said, the other one with this one, they're actually the same size, see? Here's the original, and then the one that looks like that. Okay. So, but now I'm gonna use this one. For whatever some reason this one's start leaking again, then I'll use that one. They look the same. Alright, both seals are in there, and then the East Coast bearing replacement is in there as well. We replaced the other side as well. So, yep. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.